How to find your Discord ID? I'm going to tell you how to find your Discord ID. Your Discord ID is a unique numerical identifier different from your username. To find it, first, enable developer mode. On desktop, go to user settings and then advanced and toggle on developer mode. On mobile, go to user settings, app settings, and then advanced and enable it. Now, to get your user ID, right-click your profile picture in a server or direct message and select Copy ID. To find server or message IDs, right-click a server name, a message, or a user, and then choose Copy ID. Your copied ID is now ready to paste anywhere.